Claude can build financial models. Cool. Great for templates. Great for one-off tasks. Great for homework assignments in college. But you don't work in a blank spreadsheet. You work in QuickBooks, NetSuite, Xero, or Sage. Your data lives in your ERP, and getting it out is still a pain. Export this, reformat that, pull from Salesforce, reconcile 3 different files before you even start the actual work. What I'm going to show you today is different. We're not exporting anything. We're connecting AI directly to QuickBooks for live, real data on a two-way street. This is a standard QuickBooks Online environment. You have a home page, you got a P&L summary, you have an expenses widget, an invoice pipeline, nothing special. You've seen this 1,000 times. Now, watch what happens when I flip over to Claude. I ask, are you connected to my QuickBooks MCP? It comes back. Yes, I have access to your QuickBooks Online server. I can see tools for managing customers, invoices, estimates, bills, vendors, employees, journal entries. Do you want me to run a quick test query? So I say, tell me what you can see. It prompts me to authorize the connection. One click. And then connection's working. Here's a summary. 29 customer accounts. Freeman Sports Goods. $477 with 50 cents is outstanding. Mark Cho, $313 with 28 cents. 31 total invoices. It's a mix of paid and unpaid, dating from October 2025 through January 2026. Then it goes a step further. Based on the data, this looks like a landscaping and gardening business. Some of the services include pest control, design, installation, and product sales. This appears to be Craig's design and landscaping. It's right. It read the data and figured out what kind of business it was without me telling it anything. Now, here's where it gets useful. Instead of going back into QuickBooks, clicking through the invoice flow, finding the right customer, filling in the fields, I just asked Claude to do it. Same thing with analysis. Want a breakdown of your outstanding receivables by customer, by aging budget? Ask Claude. Want to know which customers haven't paid over 60 days? Ask Claude. Want a P&L narrative you can drop into a board update or a lender report? Ask Claude. It's already connected to your data. No downloads, no reformatting, no version control issues. This is what agent workflows actually look like in practice. Not AI generating fake data with a template. AI connected to your real system, reading real numbers, taking real actions. QuickBooks is just one example. This same connection works with Xero, NetSuite, Salesforce, HubSpot, any system that has an integration or a solid API layer. The plumbing's already being built. The question is whether your team knows how to use it. Most don't yet. If you want this setup for QuickBooks, for your ERP, or whatever system your business actually runs on, send me a message. I've been building these connections for months. I know where the friction is. I know what breaks. And I know how to get you from zero to working without wasting your time on dead ends. My name is Juan. I'm with Watermelon AI. Subscribe for more practical AI for finance. Not theory, not demos on fake data, the real thing. I drop new videos every single week.